క్వీన్స్లాండ్ తెలంగాణ అసోసియేషన్ తరఫున అందరికీ బతుకమ్మ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఈరోజు చాలా బ్రహ్మాండంగా బతుకమ్మ ఉత్సవాలను నిర్వహించడం జరిగింది. మాకు సహకరించిన స్పాన్సర్స్ అందరికీ నా యొక్క కృతజ్ఞతలు. మా అసోసియేషన్ తరఫున మా ఎమ్మెల్యే గారికి, చొప్పదండి ఎమ్మెల్యే అయిన మెడిపల్లి సత్యం గారు ఇక్కడ విచ్చేసి మమ్మల్ని మాకు టైం కేటాయించి మా పండుగకు వచ్చినందుకు వారికి ధన్యవాదాలు. అదేవిధంగా ఐరెడ్డి శ్రీనివాస్ రెడ్డి గారికి కూడా ప్రత్యేకమైన ధన్యవాదాలు. జై తెలంగాణ, జై హింద్.
అందరికీ ముందుగా బతుకమ్మ పండుగ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఈరోజు మౌంట్ గ్రాడ్ షో గ్రౌండ్స్లో ఇంత అద్భుతంగా తెలంగాణ అసోసియేషన్ ఆఫ్ క్వీన్స్లాండ్ వారు, ఇది 13వ సంవత్సరము. ఫస్ట్ టైం ఈ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు 100 మంది వచ్చిండ్రు. తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు 150 మంది, తర్వాత 2000 మంది వరకు ఈరోజు అకామిడేట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఇంత అద్భుతంగా ఈ బతుకమ్మ పండుగను, మన తెలంగాణ సంస్కృతిని ఖండాంతరాలు దాటినా కూడా ఇంత అద్భుతంగా చేసుకునే అవకాశం కలిగించినందుకు తెలంగాణ అసోసియేషన్ క్వీన్స్లాండ్ వారికి, వారి కార్యవర్గ సభ్యులందరికీ ప్రత్యేక ధన్యవాదాలు.
నేను ఇక్కడికి రావడం సెకండ్ టైం మా ఫ్రెండ్స్తో. చాలా బాగా అనిపించింది, హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నాం. అండ్ ఇండియా వైబ్స్ అయితే గుర్తొచ్చినాయి, చాలా మంచిగా అనిపించింది.
Kids, so how did you enjoy it today evening?
It was really fun. We got to dance and got to pray about God and had some amazing meals.
Yeah, how about you?
We got to come together and dance and play.
How about you?
I enjoyed the dancing, and then when everyone got to run around and play.
Yeah. What was the best part?
Food.
Everything, yeah.
Cool. Kids had a lovely evening and we all had it.
We enjoyed totally this event. It's a great event and it is great to get together all the nearly 300 families. Thank you for the organizers and it's really appreciated doing all this stuff. Thank you.
Bathukamma is the best because the whole can celebrate.
Yeah.
And we can make our own Ganapatis.
Okay. Yeah.
And we want to
Clap and dance around.
and cheer for everybody.
Yeah, good job.
It's been so long we are here and we've been doing this festival for 12 years now, and more than a decade, and it's an iconic for us. Every year we do it, and we see people coming leaps and bounds, increasing every year. Absolutely phenomenal. I mean, all the community coming together for this festival. It feels like home. Back home we do this. When we were kids, we used to celebrate with moms and aunts and everyone. We're doing it now here with our close community. It feels really good, and more than that, it's more for our younger generations and coming generations, our kids. We're passing it on, and we need to do this. And probably Shrikar can speak more about it.
Yeah, hi. I'm Shrikar Reddy, one of the founder of this organization, Telangana Association of Queensland, formerly known as Brisbane Telangana Association. When we started a group of 10-15 people. Slowly, it's going bigger and bigger. When we started the Bathukamma, is maybe 100-150 people. Now is more than 1,500 people today. So before we used to celebrate Bathukamma and other events only in community halls. Now we can't accommodate the people. So from past 5 years, we are doing the Bathukamma celebrations in the showgrounds. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shrikant Pogaku. I'm one of the founder member of the Brisbane Telangana Association, which is now Telangana Association of Queensland. Yeah, as Shrikar and Ajay said, it's getting bigger and bigger every time. Like first, I think I'm pretty sure in 2013 we started this played under the Story Bridge in the park, with 15 ladies or more, and then from 2014 it started getting very big, and this is phenomenal. Last 3 years we just doing it in the showgrounds, and it's spectacular. Everyone enjoying it, kids loving it. The main intention for everyone is like to pass on our culture to the next generation. And I think we are achieving what we meant to.
Absolutely.
I've been here since the first Bathukamma. It was, I think around 12 years ago. It happened at the Brisbane River and I've been here since then. And the past several years, my Amma and Nanama have been they made like really big Bathukammas and yeah.
Hi, I'm Shrestha and I don't really remember a lot of Bathukammas except for like the past few years because I was really young, but I remember like there were a lot fewer people when it started and like we used to do them in halls because there weren't many people, but now there's like a lot of people that we need a whole ground for it.
Yeah, I feel like the community has really grown since those first few years and now the TAQ association has grown so big that we are now able to host these events in ginormous halls and on big fields. I think celebrating it with everyone, being really social, and we're able to celebrate the Bathukammas, putting in the water. Yeah, that's what I enjoy.
My favorite thing is that it's everyone like dancing around the big Bathukamma. It was like really enjoyable to do it and see people do it. Dancing is very traditional and like cultural, like you're like dancing to it and it's like very nice.
Really great experience today at Telangana Association of Queensland's Bathukamma. Got to meet the MLA and he made sure all the proceedings went smoothly. A lot of people showed up. Great experience all around.
I would recommend coming here more often, twice a year.
Make sure to drink water because being dehydrated is bad.
Yeah, always get your water bottles when you come here.
It was good to see a lot of the Indian youth here and all of them congregating here, coming together. Not only an educational experience for the younger generation to learn, but also just experience our culture, our religion. And I think it was great for everyone involved today. Thank you so much for the organizers and everyone else.
And it was also amazing to know that a lot of people came together to celebrate Bathukamma, which is a more specific festival rather than a whole countrywide celebrated festival. Thank you guys for coming.
I also noticed that there was a lot of people doing the Bathukamma dance and that was really great to see. Thank you guys.
Thank you.